So I would like to share a story with you. When I was in second year at IIT Delhi, one day a friend came to me and he said, "Nitin, I need your help." He looked very tensed. His uncle's daughter was going through a kidney transplant in one of the hospitals in Delhi, and she needed more than 10 units of O positive blood on the same day. I was a little shocked. I said, "How would we do it? It's very difficult to find so many units of blood on single day." But he told me that they have come from Baroda and they don't know anyone in Delhi. We are their only hope. So I said, okay, let's do it. Let's talk to each and every guy in IIT if that's what it takes. We decided that we'll go from hostel to hostel and talk to our friends, talk to even strangers, write on notice boards, and find donors in any way possible. I think this is when Blood Connect started for me. And looking at that event and looking today, I just don't believe my eyes. I just don't believe that how much we have achieved, how many people we have helped. All I would like to congratulate the Blood Connect team once again.
So initially, starting Blood Connect in 2010, we worked a lot on the helpline in the first 6 months, building a database, contacting people, helping those in emergencies. But then we thought this is not the actual solution. Why should a person come to us? The blood banks should be fully stocked up. So after talking to a few of the experienced people in this field, we decided to change our focus a bit and move on to organizing these blood donation camps. These camps not only ensure that blood banks are fully stocked up, but also promote voluntary blood donation. This basic change in ideology and focus on blood donation camps guided us to our current vision of actually tackling the problem of blood shortage in India.
I was involved with an organization, Sapna NGO, which works for the poor in the health sector. So when I got to know the team that is behind this, so I started the work in my college. I started working for Blood Connect in my college. Started, organizing a camp. We started off with a camp, and then we started working towards a little team like they had at IIT on a similar model. And simultaneously through our student network, as we started spreading a little, we, started getting in touch with many other Delhi University colleges, the NSS and social service wings of different Delhi University colleges. We started getting in touch with them. So in some colleges, we just had camps or certain presentations or awareness sessions, while in others, we made a more permanent presence in form of a little team.
My journey in Blood Connect was excellent. I have seen the growth of our team from 6 members to a team of 50 volunteers across various colleges in Delhi, and together we have organized 55 blood donation camps till date. So, in the next 5 years, while focusing extensively on organizing more blood donation camps, awareness sessions, and running a helpline, we would like to expand our functioning in the various nearby cities, and we hope to succeed in that.
When we were a part of NSS team, we used to receive calls about the blood requirements in the hospitals. At that instant, we used to call up our friends and ask someone to go and donate blood. But gradually, we realized that the problem is so deep-rooted that the blood shortage in all the blood banks is a major problem and we need to do something serious regarding the same. And hence, we have come up with a helpline where we can have our own database where we can contact people in case of emergency and ensure that the patient receives blood on time. And handling and managing helpline is always a challenging task for us as we need to find a donor in a limited period of time and a specific location with a specific blood group. The task is tough as we need to communicate between an unknown donor and a requester who is waiting for our help in various hospitals. And my experience with the team is simply awesome because as of now, at any time in a given day, I can find members from different colleges whom I can rely upon in handling any blood request which has been raised from any hospitals. As of now, we together as a team have handled over 500 blood requests for the past 3 years.
चलो ना ढूंढे शहर एक नया जहाँ मुस्कुराहटे हैं बिखरी जहाँ से गम का मौसम गया जहाँ मीठी बातें हर एक अजनबी से हो भूले हम भी जो सारी फिक्रें लम्हा लम्हा खुशियाँ बिखरे इधर उधर और यहाँ वहाँ जाए वही दिल कहे जहाँ